It's really windy today, and I'm sitting on my trike, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to mount this real quick. Don't know what the video is gonna look like, but let's try it just for a little bit. This can be an interesting part of the ride. Here we go. And yesterday, when I was here, I got to see a couple kids, well, just one kid out of 5 total. I saw 4 of them earlier in the day in my ride, but one of those kids fell through the ice up here. When we get to this little bridge, that's the spot. Here's a gentleman coming back at me. Hi. Nice gentleman. This is restrooms of Griffin Park. In the summer, this is a beach. They put a little like diving dock out there, maybe 75 feet from the water's edge. And the depth varies down in there. I think 12 feet, maybe 20 towards the island. That's the Framboise Island where I was just at, but I didn't film over there. Hi. And here's that little footbridge I was talking about. You can see there's looks like 5 ducks out there, as opposed to 5 hooligans that were out there messing around on the ice. One fell through to his waist, got back up, fell through a second time. I did stop at this bench, but he was okay. Hi. Hi. And then there's more geese out here. This is one of the nicest parts of the trail. I think they just repaved it last summer. And this is the softball field, well, baseball. I think it's t-ball fields. Not sure. It's usually little kids that play here. Looks like they had a light fall through the fence, and they haven't quite got around to fixing it yet. I don't know how long it'll be like that. We'll keep an eye on it as I make my vlogs through the summer, through the spring and summer. This is just a rare, 50 degree February day here in the great state of South Dakota. And there's a little porta potty, a little campground here. Hi. Hi. Yeah, it's such a beautiful day. People are getting out to enjoy it. I don't know if these people camp here all year. It doesn't really look roadworthy. Neither of them do. Housing shortage. What are you gonna do? Hi. This one does look like they move around, though that car's not big enough to pull it. And then this is what they call fish cleaning station. That's where people clean their fish when they come back in from a fishing exposition. I hope I'm not getting a cold. It needs to be on a work day, not on a play day. This looks like, you're going into like a industrial area or whatever. But, the one thing I can say about Pierre, they can't have enough parking lots, enough paved areas. They just can't. I don't know what the deal is. But we're going to go through here. Yeah, it kind of looks almost prison-like. Once there probably what used to be barbed wire up there. And we kind of do an S curve here. I'm going to stop the video for right now.